Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a wishlist on Shopify for free. So go to your Shopify, log in, and access your store. Click on the apps on the left side panel. On the search bar, type wishlist. Press enter. You'll see a long list of wishlist apps that you can install for free. Choose a wishlist app that fits your needs. For this tutorial, let's use XB Wishlist. As you can see, it's totally free. Click on it. It will take you to the app page and click install. Shopify will bring you to the permission page. Just click install again. Once done, you'll see that the app is added to your Shopify admin. Here, once you open the Wishlist app, look for an option to enable extension right here. Click on it. In the settings inside the app, turn on all of the required extensions. As you can see here, mine are already active. Just look for the inactive ones and click More Settings. So some wishlist apps needs to be enabled in your theme's header or favicon area right here. Just click on Enable or toggle the Enable, and after enabling, make sure to click Save. Then go ahead and continue checking for other inactive components by going back to the app dashboard and checking the extensions. The app will continue to show which parts are inactive or active. For example, and you should enable the floating icon, the collection, and the notification. Every time you switch something on, don't forget to hit Save on the theme editor. Then refresh the theme editor and refresh the extension settings to check if everything is now active and working proper. Now, go to the general section. For example, some of the pop-ups, wishlist notification pop-up, cart notification pop-up, and many more. Select any pop-up and click Save. You can also set the launch point where the customers can open the wishlist. Just continue adjusting the general settings however you prefer. Once everything is saved and enabled, visit your online store, click refresh. You should now see the wishlist icon on your product or collections page. Try adding an item on your wishlist, for example, adding this, to make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.